For our next section, we want to ask you guys this question. What group of people is going to be especially impacted by this?
Alright, so in this part of the screencast, you can see this is a very beginning portion of my portion of the lecture. What we're doing, you can't see me right now, but I'm like off on the side. But you can see here what my colleagues were talking about when they said that they like that I move around and it really helps with classroom management, but it could be hard because I'm moving so much. It can be hard to follow my voice. So in the future, I really want to work on moving some, but moving strategically and not just pacing. So moving to strategic points in the class so that I can kind of classroom manage through proximity. And then right here is something that I really like that I think me and Caroline did well is we stopped and asked clarifying questions. So right here I stopped and asked, we're talking about reservations, so I stopped my lecture and asked the class if anybody could tell me what a reservation was. And then Tyler raised his hand, he answered the question, and he gave a pretty basic answer. So I was like, yeah, that's a good job, that's what a reservation is. And then I gave a little bit of extra information. So we did this on and off throughout the lecture, ask clarifying questions, and I think it does a good job of breaking up the lecture, so it's not just me talking, me talking, me talking, but it gives the students a break to listen to one of their classmates participate in the lecture.